just stepped outside of the Wisdom Field coffee shop. Gonna walk around on their walkways before riding back to Mae Sot. Yeah, they have some nice views of the countryside from here. And look out over the rice fields. Kind of a familiar sight to me because I've actually come out here to Wisdom Field quite a few times by now. I've got my little tub of fish food to feed the fish down in the pond.
That's another self-defense.
I know. It's kind of a weird feeling. You're walking, it's like you're spearing people.
You could be spearing people.
With the GoPro, you're so used to doing this, you know, in front of you, but with this.
I wonder if you're a professional fencer, your instinct would be almost to thrust. And
Thrust, Barry.
Yeah.